Welcome, let's take a look at HealthOne's medical history functionality. Access to a patient's medical history can be done in different ways. We can access from the patient's record in the Appointments tab, from the traceability view of the agendas, or from the inpatient management if the patient is hospitalized. When we open the patient's medical record, we can see different patient information in different widgets. The doctor can change the display of the widgets as he wishes. Let us now show the functionality of each of these widgets. At the top we have the patient's personal data. This widget is not hideable or changeable. In this widget, we have several buttons. By default, we get the current meeting, but we can open other active or already closed metering to add information. If we click on this button, a form opens to request the hospitalization of the patient. Fill in the data and the request will be sent to the bed management system. This button shows a list of all the imaging tests, X-rays, TACS, ultrasound scans, etc., performed on the patient. HealthOne connects to the PAC system of the medical center and lists all the DICOM files corresponding to the patient. Clicking on the line opens a DICOM viewer for viewing. With this button we access the medical orders for hospitalized patients. Enter the general data, prescriber, diet, hydration plan, etc. In this button, we add a new condition and diagnosis to the patient. It uses the SNOMED database. In these buttons, we can add clinical procedures, health variables, medical evolution, and nursing evolution. The rest of the widgets can be closed, enlarged, or repositioned as the user wishes. The layout of the widgets is saved automatically. In the anamnesis widget, we can visualize the patient's medical history. If we enlarge the widget, we can add personal history data, allergies, medication, vaccinations, ECT. This is data that the doctor should be able to visualize easily. Here we have the reports widget. In a tree, the user can see all the forms that can be used, reports, etc. If we open a Word report, we can write on a predefined template and save it. All report forms are passed to the clinical course widget. This tree is configurable through the History Structure utility. Here we can add Word templates that the doctor can use, or we can design reports and attach them to the clinical history. In complementary tests, we can request radiological or laboratory tests. These are special forms where the doctor can order previously defined laboratory tests. When you choose the type of analysis, all the determinations are shown. If we integrate HealthOne with laboratory software, we will receive the results of the analyses automatically. In the Interconsultation tab, you fill in the information that the laboratory will receive and determine the area, and the service that will perform the test. This data can be pre-filled with the Business Rules engine. All test requests are passed to the Interconsultation widget. Here we can see the tests that have been requested to the patient and their status. If we open them, we can consult the traceability of the test, and, if it is finished, we can see the results. The Monitoring widget shows us graphs of the evolution of the patient's health variables such as temperature, pressure, etc. Thank you for your attention.